Alright, time to fix this Talk Connection Thomas. So basically this Talk Connection Thomas has a corrosion on him. So I took the 3 screw on top of his battery cell on top of it and look at the inside. The inside are not that good, and I just realized that his driving wheel has a cracked gear. And so I opened the inside of Thomas and took out the old Thomas wheel and replace it with a spare Thomas wheel that I have, and with a good gear one. And I also soldered a new wire because the old blue wire is kind of bad, and so I soldered it and it works now. It took me forever to put back his shell, but luckily I managed it, and now let's see if it works. Let's see he runs on the magic track. Thank you all for watching, and bye.